Hi, I'm Robert Flowers, and in this video I'll be discussing the typical expenses associated with rental properties. Owning a rental property can be a great source of income, but it's important to understand the expenses associated with it. Here are some typical expenses you can expect to incur. First, there are property expenses, such as mortgage payments, property taxes, and insurance. Second, there are maintenance expenses such as repairs, cleaning, and landscaping. Third, there are advertising and marketing expenses to find and attract tenants. Fourth, there are legal and accounting expenses such as lawyer fees and tax preparation. Fifth, there are management expenses such as property management fees and utilities. Sixth, capital expenditures, large one-time expenses that improve or upgrade a property, such as replacing the roof or HVAC system. Seventh, reserve fund contributions, money set aside for future repairs and replacements, such as a new roof or major appliance. Eighth, vacancy expenses, costs incurred when a unit is vacant, such as lost rent, advertising fees, and utilities. Ninth, turnover expenses, costs associated with preparing a unit for a new tenant, such as cleaning, repairs, and painting. Lastly, miscellaneous expenses, other costs that don't fit neatly into other categories, such as association fees, pest control, and supplies. Understanding these expenses are crucial to accurately budgeting and managing your rental property. If you want to know more about the typical expenses associated with rental properties and how you can adjust your rents to profit, check out this video on increasing and stabilizing your rental income. Thanks for watching.